Welcome to my new listing in Henderson, where it's walking distance from the store and restaurants, and to my favorite dog park, Heritage Bark Park, right down the street. And one of my favorite features about this home is this mini split. It can cool and heat the garage, so depending on what kind of weather you're having out here in Henderson. This home has been through a full redesign. I can't wait till you see the floors, the kitchen, and everything that the owners did. So come on, let's go check it out. This home has so much sparkle. I mean, look at the sparkle in these quartz counters. Also has some stainless steel appliances with some super cool backsplash. You will love the master bedroom. It actually has his and her closet, or his and his, or hers and hers. Whatever you want, it's in there for you. So let's go check that out. Here we have this spacious backyard, super low maintenance for the landscaping, but look at this amazing, super long covered patio for your super hot days in the summer. And then there is a brand new shed out here, so you can store all your stuff in there. And if you want a personal tour, just comment below and I'll make it happen. So I am Wendy Goss. I'd love to be your real estate boss with eXp Realty here in Henderson, Nevada. Okay.
Rolling.
Ready? Oh my God, I love you. I love you. Okay.